Hey everyone, today I will show you how to set any song as ringtone on your iPhone 16. So now I'm provide full guide, so follow my all process very carefully. So you need to just install these apps. You can easily install from your app store. No need to pay it. So open these apps. Click on to plus option to record audio. Okay, click on to record, start. Hello, 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 like stop, and click on this option, my songs. Now add this recording. Okay, rename to long press, click on to rename to okay, follow my name, so follow my file name. Okay, and long press again, click on to share option and just click on to ringtone. Okay, now successfully add to click on export. Okay, now export this ringtone and go out these apps to open iPhone settings. Click on sound and haptics, click on to ringtone. Okay, and look here, now successfully add my customized ringtone. So select hello, hello, hello. Okay, like stop, just go back and now successfully add this ringtone. So that's it, that's how you can do it.